Good morning, students. Today, continue with the topic forms of business organization. We'll discuss about articles of association. Now, article of association is the second most important document prepared by promoters. Now, for the purpose of incorporation, it is presented before the registrar along with other documents. It is prepared in accordance with Companies Act 2013 and the Memorandum of Association of Company. It is an existing document of two memorandum of association. It contains internal rules of the company which can be said as the existing rules to the memorandum of association of the company. Because in memorandum of association, objectives are there for which organization has come into existence. So how to achieve its objectives, article of association is lost. In this document, rules and regulations are there which help the company to achieve the objectives taken in the memorandum of association and for running the affair of the company smoothly. The memorandum of association fixes the object of the company and articles tell the ways and modes of attaining the objects of the company. The memorandum of association fixes the functional area of the company while articles of association specify as to how a given work will be done. What will be the structure of the internal rules and regulations and what will be the rights of various parties like the officers, shareholders and the venture holders, etc. Now the articles of association are the internal rules of the company and in it all such things are stated which have a bearing on the company's internal management and administration. Every company prepare articles of association according to its requirements so that the contents of articles of association for different companies may be different. Generally, Table F is considered to be standard structure and on the basis of it, various rules and sub-rules are prepared. So there are 24 rules contained in article of association generally. Generally, the first is mode of ratification of preliminary contracts, division of various types of shares and rights of shareholders, mode of issue and allotment of shares, fixation of minimum subscription, methods of issuing share certificates, rules regarding calls on shares, mode of increase, decrease or restructuring of share capital. Now next is your payment of underwriting commission, payment of commission and brokerage on shares and debentures, consolidation and division of shares, rules regarding meeting of company, quorum adjournment, proxy, poll and chairman, appointment of auditors, their powers, duties and remuneration, provisions relating to appointment of the manager, managing director, treasurer, secretary, rules regarding use of common seal because common seal is the main thing. Without common seal, the document is of no value. So rules regarding common seal, method of keeping and writing books of accounts, calculation of profit, procedure